Your Excellency, the former President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Your Excellency, the Vice President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Your Excellency, the Governor of Ekiti State, and your beloved wife, Your Excellencies, former governors that are here, the former Senate President, my dear younger brother, the celebrant of today, and your very beautiful wife, the single senators and members of the House of Representatives, our dear leaders, particularly Otumba Fasaway, gentlemen of the press, ladies and gentlemen. Let me, on behalf of our team for Rivers State members of the National Assembly, the dear leaders like former Deputy Speaker, House of Reps, and other people who are here who came with me to felicitate with my dear brother, his wife, and their family for God's grace to attain the age of 65. There are those who are born today, they die. There are those whose parents will send them to school, they graduate with first class. As they are coming out that day, you hear one story or the other. And that God, in His wisdom, has granted you these years to be here today to say thank you and celebrate with your people. We have come to felicitate with you. I've known Ayo Fayose for some time. When he was running for governor of Ekiti State, I was chairman of a local government then. He used to tell me that when they come to Rivers State, he comes as a governor, while those of us who are chairmen will come and receive him. I said, yes, that was then. But now, you will remember that I'm the minister of the Federal Capital Territory. But one thing anybody will always say, I've had rough times with him. I've had good times with him. But one thing you can take hope is that he's a man you can depend on. It's a man you can go home with and sleep with your two eyes closed. It's difficult in this country. Most people don't like those who are straightforward. Most people don't love people who will tell you this is black and this is white. I remember sometimes we had a problem. That was supposed to be an election of the national zonal chairman of Southwest. He was on one side. I was on one side. In fact, that time I was working with Sheyi Makinde, and he was supporting Edi Olefeso. So, on national television, in fact, to be precise, channels, he said, he won't call name. I know it's my friend who is doing all these things against him. Then after the interview, I called him. I said, oh boy, I heard you, I will reply. He said, no, don't reply. We have made up. He doesn't carry anything in his mind. Whatever he does not like, Ayo will say it. And after that time is the end. And these are people that should be commended. He has told you here, it doesn't matter that he believes that look at Governor Oyebanji, is not in his party, then he will not because he's not in his party, but the young man is doing well, and at his age, he cannot because he belongs to another party, and then he will not say that the man is not doing well. That is leadership. He has never told me anything, and he will not do it. It doesn't matter who is involved. And let me commend your wife. You know, people say, monkey they jump, monkey they jump. Now we are tree near tree. Iron is great. Iron is good. There's a pillar. How did I know about the wife? There's sometimes problem. She was one who called me. She said, you know that this is your brother. She's very good in prayer, unlike him. Unlike Fayose. I don't even know whether he prays. I don't even know. But very good in prayer, upholding the husband in prayer. Forget as the CIO come out. The day he was going to EFCC, in the night, I was with him, he came to see me. He said, look, we'll go to EFCC tomorrow. I said, okay, stay in the guest house here. I will take you to EFCC. Nothing will happen. But when I came back, I said, we are going to EFCC tomorrow. What are you doing? He said, oh boy, I don't know where I will go. I will come back, I know I will come back. This is why they here, make I enjoy my life today. So, I took him to EFCC the next day. Like I said, he's a good friend. He will stand with you when you're in problem. He's not a friend today. He forgets what you have done yesterday. He's not a friend tomorrow. He will say a different thing. No, he's not that kind of person. He will come to you, my brother, this is what you are doing. You know you're my friend, but me, I'm not a support of this one. He will tell you. Unlike today, what we see, somebody will say you're a great friend last night. Tomorrow morning, you're no longer a great friend. Ayo, God will continue to give you long life. I pray you will surpass my age. I pray to surpass my age. That's my prayer. That's the prayer of a senior brother to a younger person. So, I love you. I love your family. You have been there for me when it mattered most. Thank you, and God bless you.
Ladies and gentlemen, please give him a better round of applause. A friend of the people, a man who is not an emperor, but a conqueror, the champion, and the lion. We celebrate you, Barrister Nyesom Wike. Thank you very much. We'll go straight to the next, and we move very fast from here. Thank you very much.
Yes, as an